afternoon, everyone. My name is Jagadish. I am studying BTech second year in SRIT. Today, my topic is discuss about the perspective in geometric of aerial photography. Introduction to perspective in aerial photography. Aerial photographs are images captured from the elevated position, typically using aircraft or drones. Perspective in this photograph influence how the features on the ground are represented visually. Understanding the geometry of perspective is essential for accurate interpretation and analysis of aerial images. Basic concept of perspective geometry. Perspective geometry explains how three-dimensional objects are projected onto a dimensional photograph. It involves concepts such as vanishing points on horizontal lines and projection planes. This concept helps is understanding distortion and spatial relationship on aerial images. Types of perspective aerial photography. Central or one point perspective occur when the camera's optical axis is aligned with the object, leading to convergence at a single point. Parallel projection often used in mapping maintains scale but can distort depth perception. Oblique and titled perspective result from camera angles that are not perpendicular to the ground surface. Effects of camera position angle. The attitude and angle of the camera affect the scale and distortion in the photograph. Higher attitude generally produce more uniform scale but less detail. Oblique angles can introduce foreheartening and distortion affecting the interpretation of features. Vanishing points and horizon line. Vanishing points are where parallel lines appear to converge in the image, indicating the perspective depth cues. The horizon line represents the viewer's eye level and is circular for understanding the spatial orientation of features. Accurate identification of these points help in reconstruction three-dimensional structure from aerial images. Orthophotos and geometric correction. Orthophotos and orthophotos are aerial images geometrically corrected to remove perspective distortion. They provide an accurate to scale representation of ground features. Understanding original perspective geometry is vital for creating precise orthophotos. Perspective distortion and their implication. Distortion can lead to misinterpretation of distance, areas, and angles in aerial imagery. Recognizing perspective effect helps in applying correct geometric correction and interpretation. Proper understanding ensure accurate mapping, surveying, and spatial analysis. Applications of perspective in aerial photogeometry. Perspective principles are used to derive topographic maps and 3D models from aerial images. They assist in urban planning, environmental monitoring, and disaster management. Accurate perspective understanding enhance the reliability spatial data extracted from a aerial photograph. Techniques from Manning perspective effect. Telescopy uses overlapping images to perceive depth and correct perspective distortion. Photogeometric methods involve mathematical models to restore true ground position. Proper flight planning and camera orientation minimize undesirable perspective effect. Conclusion. Understanding the perspective geometric of aerial photographs is fundamental for accurate spatial analysis. It helps in identifying distortion and applying corrective measures for precise mapping. Mastery of this concept enhances the utility of aerial imagery in various geospatial applications. Thank you for the given opportunity.